Hare Krishna Prabhu. You had mentioned that we have to work with a missionary zeal. So in my conditioned stage, I will be working in the more of like a rajoguna. Dovetailing the rajoguna. So whereas you had mentioned that even Srila Prabhupada also has always attributed his success to his purvacharyas. There are so many pastimes which indicate that even every second he was kind of having that kind of a deep gratitude. So how do we develop the right attitude and avoid this rajoguna behavior while being very trying to dovetail and do a missionary way of working?
No, that you can do only by combination of sadhana and this. Sadhana will give you the transcendental knowledge by which that false ego is burnt on a day-to-day basis. That is why sadhana every day is required. Not enough if you do good sadhana today, because after that you are going to do the dovetailing. In that dovetailing, you should not feed your false ego. Not to feed your false ego, you should have done a good sadhana. So this is the transcendental arrangement, a protection, where gradually we become purified. We do our sadhana and then we dovetail. We dovetail without, and in dovetailing means, our past tendencies are there. So there is false ego. False ego should burn by acting as a servant of Krishna and should not create new false egos. For that, our morning sadhana, where we fire ourselves up with the consciousness of I am the servant. So what is the result of good sadhana? The result of good sadhana is a consciousness that I am servant of Krishna. At least for the day you can remember, because of the day's sadhana. Hearing classes. So that will protect us.